welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, I haven't been posting any videos about the car. It is winter here in Canada right now, and it's been really cold recently. Today it's minus 10 Celsius, which is about 14 degrees Fahrenheit. So, and my garage isn't insulated, nor is it heated yet. I'm gonna get to that this year, hopefully. So, as you can see, the SRT is tucked away there with the battery charger on it. So, it'll be good to run this coming spring. But the good news is that I did get my Borla ATAK exhaust in recently, so I'm going to do a little unboxing video about that. I did take out the staples already just to make it easier for the video, but first time I'm going to open the box here, so very excited to install this on the car this summer. Here's the first thing I'm going to take out is this is like the instructions. Part number, and it's a little booklet, I guess, about 5 pages in there. And next, so these are the clamps that are supposed to hold the exhaust on. Nothing's supposed to be welded on it. It's just going to be these clamps with, looks like these are 5/8, looks like lock nuts on there. So it'll definitely do the job. I think the band on it is about 1.5 inches thick maybe, so some good heavy duty clamps. I want to inspect the welds too on the exhaust system. So by trade I'm a welder, so I'll be anxious to see what kind of finish is done to the pipes. That's cool. So got this hat. Send you a Borla hat. An elastic around it, pretty flexible. Put that in there. So the packaging itself, I'll show you guys really quick. So the packaging itself came in this expanding foam. These foam, I guess, bubbles or whatever you want to call them. So it's really sealed in there well. I doubt very much that any of the exhaust moved around in there during shipping. So just adjust the camera. There you go. That is looking nice. So we got tips here. So I'm actually going to put this on the ground here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Easier than me holding it. So like I said, by trade I'm a welder, so I'm very curious to see the finish on the welds, to see how clean they are. If there's any porosity in there, whatnot. So I'll bring the camera closer to that in a second. So I'll leave those pieces in there because the other one's just the right side. Leave these out, and I'll show you guys really quick what it looks like. Like I said, I'm not going to take out the other pieces. It's all the same stuff, just the other side of it. Borla ATAK. This came to about $2,500 Canadian. I don't know what the conversion is. I think it's about 1,800 American. Nice looking welds right there. Couple spatter spots there, but no big deal. It's nice to see that it's actually hand welded, not machined like a lot of factories do. No porosity at all. It's also 100% stainless steel, so it's like the best kind of metal to weld, in my opinion, when it comes to exhaust. You can see down there. And the tailpipe. Really nice. So I believe this is the 2.75 inch exhaust, and I think the exit here at the tip is a 3 inch, if I'm not mistaken. That'll look really good under the car. So another month and a half, maybe 2 months, I'll be taking it to the shop and installing it on the car. So 100% stainless steel. That's the way you want to do it. You're buying an exhaust. So from the day I ordered it to the day I got it, it wasn't actually that long. Especially with COVID and everything. It was I think it took about 3 or 4 weeks to get to my front door. They put the little slits in the metal here, so when you clamp it, the metal doesn't get all kinked. It'll just tightly wrap around there, and this gap will, what I'm thinking is that this gap will close when the clamp is tightened. You're gonna get a nice seal.